2K up to 60 frames per second. Make sure to change the settings down below in order to watch the video on its best performance. There you go. So today's presentation, as you seen in the title, we're going to review the Hot Wheels HW Workshop Track Builder Fan Man. There you go. Let's go back to 2014. Okay, wait. No, 2015. Okay, let's go back to 2015. I don't think that life was like that. No, we had colors, you know. But man, this is like 7 years ago. Damn, time flies really fast. Okay, so I personally a huge fan of this thing. Okay, and I'm not going to say a lot of things as I want to get to right into the video. But what we're going to make is an Let's Talk Show video. We're going to make a small comparison between like old Hot Wheels and new Hot Wheels. I mean, man, I would love to talk about these days, like 2015, 2014 as well. HW Workshop was there, you know, before Track Builder. So let's get into the video. There you go, guys. Okay, so there are some requirements. Sorry. First of all, you're gonna need 2C batteries, something like that, not the G ones, because the G batteries are the ones that I used in the boosters, but these are C batteries, so they're smaller than the G ones. So just to make sure, obviously I got this one on eBay. I got it for $9, but the one who bought it for $10 was like Walmart. I don't know what at that time life was looking like in Canada. And also I got my sandbox. If you haven't watched the review of it and you're interested about this one, I'm going to link the video on the description as well as on the comment section so that you won't miss anything. But for now, let's unbox this thing. As you can see, I think I'm going to box it here. Let's see. Oh. That is the second time I think I'm unboxing from where I should, because I never do that. Okay, so the instructions. This thing, I think it's the fan, and also, okay, how am I supposed to? Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. Empty box, and obviously your fan man. So this is a piece of fabric. This is not paper, but you do not want to mess with it, okay? Because you may tear this thing, and you don't want to do that. This thing is a rare piece, okay? And also this. So let's see what we got on the final. Again, there's no car included in this set, and I'm going to use some of my cars. This is the Cadillac V, I don't know, but we'll get to that later. So again, you got this. I want to show it to you first. Wait, hold on. Oh, there we go. Because this side is more red than this side. Obviously, you can see the difference. Check it out. Hope that you can hear, but you can't obviously feel. Anyways, so you got your Camaro. There you go. Sorry. CCM Country Crawl Muscle. This version was actually released in the trick tracks and also on the wall tracks as well. Really interesting to see old cars coming back. Let's put it together. That X-Racers 5-pack, I did a review about it, and yeah, let's check the instructions first of all. So if you want to watch the full review, make sure to link on the description as well as on the comment section. But this is how it looks like. You see, no car included. And you have to snap things. Let's see which car is this. Hold on. Sorry. Obviously you can always pause and read. It feels like the Nissan 360Z. Yep, it is. Let's see which car is this. There's no car. There's literally no car. Okay. Track builder. Let's see. So I'm not gonna lie, I already watched the review sample of Mr. Race Grooves or Race Grooves, and he did a review about that as well. That was really interesting, and do want to mention that these three are not the same size. Okay, so here you go. So this is bigger than the other two, and we're going to do like that. Ah, that was perfect. Oh, wait, I'll be right back. Let's put the batteries on. You guys are ready? Because I was waiting for that moment for so long. It's kind of cool though. There you go. This is the small track that I built. Obviously what I want to test is the Fan, and I already got two cars since CCM Country Club Muscle is already here. This Camaro, we don't have it, but let's see. The Governor, Super Gnat, Geronimo. Let's see. Oh, definitely going to pick this accelerator model. Let's see. Nerve Hammer as well, maybe. And let's add the Bugatti Chiron. And we have 5 cars. Obviously I'm picking this version of Nerve Hammer. Spinebuster, one of the accelerators models. Cadillac V16, I think. There we go, V16. The Bugatti Chiron. And CCM Country Club Muscle. So I'm only focusing about this part, because the launcher doesn't matter. There we go. Let's start. Oh. Bro, the wind is so awesome. Yeah, because like it's hot in here. Let's start with the Bugatti Chiron. Oh, okay. Let's see CCM Country Club Muscle. Oh, yo, that was legit. Cadillac, obviously. Go. Oh, what happened? Let's give him a second try. Bro, you're supposed to go that way, not that way. Okay, we'll see about that later. Spinebuster is my car. Oh, I forgot that Spinebuster is not that much good with the launchers. Anyways, we'll put you there. And Nerve Hammer. Obviously, come on guys. So, how does this thing works? Now, it's really simple. It's not rocket science. Well, anyways, so let's see. Oops, sorry. I'm picking up Bugatti Chiron as an example. So, I hope that you can hear me. There you go. So when this car gets here, it's gonna hit this part, will cause in like the fan man to lay down, you know, because obviously there's air in here that is blown, and then that makes this guy fly like that. Let me show you. Here's a test. You see? And obviously, since the car is moving so fast, you know, sometimes you don't see the full slow motion. But the thing that I'm sure that you're interested if whether it can be done like on both ways. Well, this is the other way. There you go. Oh, no, actually it can't. Well, I mean, it depends. It's not about that. It depends, because you see, it's if you're coming over here, and if you do like that, you need to. I mean, it's scratching the always track. But yeah, you can do it sideways. Oh, what happened? Hold on. Actually, you know what? This side does it. Oh, you can't do that on the other side? Wait, what? Oh, okay, so there's this. Okay, I just understood something. So there's this thing. When you do like that, normally it pushes this guy to the ground. But on the other hand, it doesn't do anything. I don't know why. But let me show you the fan, because what you're hearing right now is just the fan. And as you can see, it creates air and causes this guy to fly like that. I mean, it's not really flying, but you know what I mean. Okay, so after I've done some experimenting, I've removed the Hot Wheels track, you can see that. And yeah, nothing happens if you do like that. Yep. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, that was so smooth. Bro, I can literally just sit here and keep up watching him doing this, because it's so fun. I don't know why. And the fun is not over yet. Ah, that's so much better. So like I was saying, the fun is not over yet. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up, because tomorrow, not tomorrow, but you know, on Friday, there's gonna be an HW truck ride. Well, let's see. And yeah, there's gonna be an HW truck ride, and I'm going to use this guy. So it'll be really fun to, you know, display him so that you guys can see what it does exactly, sorry. So there you go. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe to the channel. And obviously all of the other reviews, I'm talking about this and this one as well, they're gonna be the link on the description below, so you won't miss anything. Spinebuster as well, if you're interested into the pack that I already done the review about. You know, I'm just giving shout outs to my old videos that I've done, so you won't miss anything. Take care.